Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Let's just have a look at this Clickbait Pay's progress at the moment. Today, my third level 2 ad campaign has paid out, so you can see there now there's 3 since I've started on the 6th of, or the 26th of June. So the second one paid out on the 7th of, on the 9th of July, and then the last one, third one today. So I've already purchased other packages with these funds. So today the plan was to upgrade to level 3, but we're going to need that $15 to activate level 3, because at the moment we have 154 available and I already activated level 2, so I don't need to pay that activation fee on level 2 again. The only thing is that you can only have 3 active campaigns at one moment. So at the moment I still got one level 2 left, which has got 6 days left, which started on the 9th of well, that was the original starting date was on the 6th or 9th of July. So this one has got 6 days left. You can see that it started on the 9th of July. So you've got 6 days left. That means I can add another 2 only. Then that's the maximum number of active campaigns you can have at the moment. So your ad campaigns, it will say active or on hold. It will must be 3. So I can still purchase 2 of them. So today's clicks has been done. I've got 6 days left. So now I'm going to go and I'm going to use this available balance. So you can see already 308. Now that is $3 in referral earnings already. And then there's 50 in the earned wallets from the active campaign that he still needs to pay out. You can see the active campaign is 1, and then the active available balance is 154, which is exactly what I need to purchase 2 level 2 campaigns. So I'm going to go to the buy ad campaigns. I'm going to select level 2. You can even buy lower levels as well if you want to. The plan was to go to level 3, but I'm gonna, on the next one I should have enough. Let's have a look. Alright, so we are still testing and everything, but this is how this plan or this ad campaigns are working. So buy this ad campaign. Alright, I'm going to add the X3 again there. Let's see if it's maybe still available. Okay, I have to get the link. Let's go and get the link here. So you can also advertise any platform that you want to add here for free if you purchase any ad campaign. Right, so there we go, and then you can also preview before you post it, and this is the advertising X3 matrix as well. Right, low entry, fast flow, continuous earnings, and recycling altogether. Everything is explained here in this explainer video, as well as how it works and how the payments are routed. Everything is explained there. Alright, but anyways, let's go back to Clickbait page. I've added my ad campaign. I'm going to confirm purchase. Yes, I'm sure. Alright, and then I'm going to select another one, buy another ad campaign. I've got $77 left. So I'm going to buy another level 2. Right, that's sufficient. So I'm going to paste the same ad there that I want to, or the platform that I want to promote, and I'm going to preview. Well, it's not really necessary, but I know it works, so then confirm purchase, and yes, I'm sure. Right, so now go to dashboard. Now I can go and click. Active campaigns is now 3, not 1 anymore. You can say I have 6 left for today. Right, so I'm going to do all of these clicks, these 6 clicks right away. Click ads, and it takes me to this page, and I'm going to start clicking. Then when you click, it opens in another tab. You have to press on open ad. You can see at the bottom it opens on a different tab. So this one, stay, and then there's 7 seconds left. So there you claim at $2.83 there. So not leaving that money there to be dead money basically. I put it to use and I generate more income. Right, then we carry on with these clicks, and that is how we do it. Yeah. Just take note, you don't have to join these advertising platforms that are advertised. You can advertise your own platform here as long as it's legal. So that is included in your subscription. So obviously the higher level that you purchase, the more is your earnings going to be at the end of the day. Right, so you just need to press on 3 ads like this every day, depending on how many ad campaigns you have. So here's another one. Then you decide how you want to manage this, because it's just taking time. Every ad campaign takes 12 days that you have to click, and then you need to wait 7 days for the money to be released. Right, so still have this one left. I'll press there and go to that one. Open ad. Okay. And there I'm claiming it now. Alright, so without leaving the money is available, let it work, put it to work. Alright, this one is just a different one we already saw early on, in a different form. Right, so if you're watching this on YouTube, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel to keep updated on what's happening in our groups and our platforms. Right, then the last one. And remember, it's completely free to like and to subscribe. You don't have to pay anything. And then you'll be updated as new updates come out. Alright, so there I'm done for the day for my 3 clicks. You can see there, level 2, there's now 3 level 2 packages active at this moment. That's the maximum you can have at one time. And rather let the money work so that it doesn't sit there and you wait. I could have waited for 7 days, then I would have enough. But then while you're waiting, we are putting that money to work in any case now. So we have 3 active campaigns now again. See that one's got 6 days left. These ones have got 11 and 11. Right, so once again I'm going to get 300 out of here, and I'm going to pay 150 to get to the next level, plus $15 activation fee, so that's 165. Right, Okay, so then tomorrow I'm coming back and I'm going to do 9 clicks for tomorrow. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you, and that is how you purchase extra ad campaigns from Clickbait Page. Please reach out to the person that shared this video with you, or reach out to me. The WhatsApp link will be in the description. Thank you very much.